Bits and Watts has meant a lot to me over the last 10 years. I think it was 2018 when I first met Arun, and he spoke to our board and really enlightened us on what a university can do with the industry. And so these last years have really been inspiring for me, and I know many at Portland General Electric, to understand what Stanford does, what the Bits and Watts team can bring to the industry.
So I was very much at the beginning of Bits and Watts because it was very aligned with the strategy we had in RTE. RTE is a French TSO, and we have this digitalization of the grid as a kind of strategic target. So when we saw this title, Bits and Watts, it was exactly what we have in mind, and then we start some collaboration, and we send some people here, and then we interact a lot with the teams.
There are two reasons why we're happy to work with Stanford. The first reason is that France, this year in February at the AI Action Summit in Paris, launched a coalition for sustainable AI. This coalition unites stakeholders from all over the world to better align the objectives of developing AI and making it sustainable and respecting climate and nature. The second reason why we are happy to work with Stanford is that France is trying to be an example in terms of sustainable AI. Our electricity grid in France is already 95% decarbonized, and so we think that we are a good place to develop AI and data centers because we can have data centers and AI which relies on clean energy sources.
So one of the things I found exciting about this gathering is how it brings together academia with industry players and students to discuss the pertinent issues of our time, how to serve the new loads coming from data centers, from artificial intelligence, and how to do it in a way that is sustainable, both from an economic point of view, from an environmental point of view, and a social point of view, because these things are coming together and creating a lot of challenges for the broader society, and that's what we need multi-stakeholder discussions to engage about.
It's been really inspirational. I've really enjoyed my time here, and I would encourage you all to think about what Bits and Watts can do for you.